Hello and welcome to a new tutorial from Minecrafter. Today I'll show you how to record the screen of your iPhone or iPad. The first step is to click on the link in the description, then you will come on this website. On this website you have to download the Emu for iOS Store application. This is not available now, but this will change soon, because there are some problems or updates. Okay, when you download the Emu for iOS Store, you have to download the Shoe app in the Emu for iOS Store. When you download the Shoe app, this one, see? When you download this one, you can delete the Emu for iOS Store, and then you have to go in the App Store. In the App Store, you have to download the Shoe.tv mobile game streaming app. You see, you only have to type Shoe.tv and then you download the first one. When you downloaded this, you have to register, and when you registered, you can click on Shoe. Then there will be a button for record screen. You have to click on this. Then there are some settings for the quality or FPS, and then you have to click on start recording, and then you're on this screen and you can stop the record every time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the English version of my quick tutorial for record your screen. And I hope my English was not too bad. See you later. Bye.